In terms of the next query, P. Somaya from Chennai is writing in and has bought IDFC First Bank at 77 rupees from a short-term holding period perspective. Wants to know whether he should hold, exit or average at the current levels. Ajit, I'll come to you on this one. What are the charts indicating for something like an IDFC First Bank?
Yeah, good morning, Mahima. So, Mahima, I guess you bought it last year when the prices were hovering around 80, 77 zone. Now, after seeing almost a dip close to around 50 levels, we have seen a decent recovery of late. And, the way the recovery has panned out, probably we can see a level close to around 70, 72 in the near future. So, as of now, I would recommend him to stay put and recommend him not to add at current levels. Let it surpass the 70 zone decisively, then only you can consider adding to this existing position. In the meanwhile, also a stop at 60 is something that one should maintain, because in case if it slips below this level, probably we can again see the consolidation, if the view is short term.
So that's the view that we are seeing for IDFC First Bank. But Ajit, for the next query also, I'll take your view. Now, this is from Sri Vardhan. He holds shares of Tata Motors and wants to understand whether he should continue to hold or sell in this counter. Now, what we've seen in this last 6 months, the stock has seen some major correction. It's down about 26% if we take the 6 months timeline in picture. Want to understand your view on this counter.
So that's true. Means if you see that the last 6 months been consistent underperformance from Tata Motors, and a stock like Eicher, TVS, Maruti, they have done exceptionally well during this time. So if let's say the view is less than 3-6 months, my recommendation would be to still look for the opportunity to exit from this counter and switch to the performer wherein we are seeing relatively higher strength. If let's say the view is long term, then they can stay put because the price wise damage it's been already done, and probably 750, 760 is something that the stock might test in next 3 to 6 months.
That's the view with regards to where charts are concerned for Tata Motors. Our next question is on Shriram Finance. Ravi Reddy wants to have a view with respect to where this counter is concerned. Saurabh, I'll come to you on this one. In terms of earnings, well, margins did contract. Even in terms of profit, it was a miss, and this is on the back of a higher credit cost. How did you read the numbers, and what's the view like for something like a Shriram Finance?
The numbers were clearly disappointing, and that is why we are seeing selling on the stock. The management is quite confident that they would be able to grow in the FY26, especially on the gold loan side. They have given a guidance of more than 20%. See, if you have a long-term view, then I think it makes sense to hold on. Otherwise, I don't feel. I feel that after these numbers, the stock will remain underperformer with respect to the market.
Okay, so that's the view for Shriram Finance that we are looking at. Next question.